Fucking hell. They got the better plays, you know?
They do.
I mean, I'm working my ass off to chase them off. They just lay down the bullets.
They're doing everything they can to basically win this one. God damn it.
Düşman canımızı okuyor.
Ah, we're gonna lose this one.
Düşmanı geri püskürtün.
Don't count us out just yet.
We need to kill 120 of them.
No, we need to make a deal.
It's the infantry D3 AA gun.
Careful, they manning the AA gun in D3.
No.
If we capture the 2 flags and hold it for 3 or 5 minutes, we can win. But at the moment, yes.
There's so many planes.
Yeah, I mean, the plane maps are in that one. You should have played the ship map, but it's not like in FHSW, there are not a lot of type of ships.
Is the ship map the Falkland Island map?
Yeah.
Actually, so far as I understood, that map is not going to be very good because the ships respawn instantly. It's not like objective mode, and that kind of sucks. It takes a lot of the fun out of it.
Oh. Did you crash into Robert?
Just hold one flag at all time.
Like E3, you should have the Granat and Robert work with them.
I'm recording again. I temporarily stopped recording, but now I'm recording again.
They're at the top flag. Let's do this.
But it's a good game this evening, the ones we have played.
Yeah.
Man, they're everywhere.
Yeah, there are like too many of them. Okay.
Damn, even Robert is below me in score.
They somehow got a lot of skill between the 2 rounds, like 230 kills to 180.
It's gonna be over now.
You still have a chance at advantage.
Did you all come from America?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Honest to you, like, I cannot aim on the horizontal axis. I just can't land any shots other than the first one.
They always outturn you.
I mean, I'm not even being outturned. I just see the enemy ahead, you know, going away, and I cannot land the second shot. This is way too hard, or I'm not getting something. Yeah, at this point they should 100% believe what I'm not thinking.
Oh, hold the flags.
All the flags, 76,
But I think-
75,
I
74,
think
Man,
we lose this.
73, 72. Don't lose your hope.
don't die.
Okay, I got shot.
Don't die. Whatever you do, do not die. Kill the enemy, but do not die.
56. Oh. Carolo again. Is he really that good? 34 kills, yeah, he's the top. Very good.
Oh shit, we're losing the other flag.
Oh
Losing
no.
both.
Yeah, I'm done.
I'm going to that flag.
If we have many lucky, we can win this.
No. I mean, yeah, we can.
One target, damn. First guy target is the one.
Oh no, we lose.
Yep.
I hear the heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a close game.
Yeah,
Oh
that's-
yes. Very close.
Canımızı okuyor.
Oh, that's it then.
Okay.